Hi, welcome back to O Business Consultant. Today we are back with a new Excel model that is for the cosmetic products businesses. In order to review this model, we are going to go through these 10 different sheets. But before we start reviewing this model, you have to know that the P cells are representing the input cells and the gray cells are representing the link or the formula cells. Also, you have to know that this is a 16-month projection model, which means the total number of years in this model is going to be 5. The first sheet represents the assumptions. This contains the major assumptions related to any cosmetic products business. This includes your financing assumptions, CapEx and OpEx assumptions, and then we have cost and revenue assumptions. These are the P cells, which means you just have to make inputs in these cells and the rest of the model will change automatically. The gray cells here represent the limb cells. You don't have to make changes in these as these contain formulas or linking. Inventory analysis. Here we have calculated the closing inventory both in units and in dollars for each of the products, and then a total closing inventory figure at the very end of this sheet. Here. Next is cost of goods sold. Like inventory, we have calculated the cost of goods sold or the cost incurred on the purchase or production of each of these products. In this case, the purchase of each of these products. And then we have calculated a total cost of goods sold figure at the end as well. This is both annual and monthly. Similarly, revenue analysis, we have calculated revenue being generated from each of the products and then a total revenue figure at the very end of this sheet. Next is supporting details. Here we have included the major operating expenses of the business. These includes your variable and fixed expenses. And then we have the payroll schedule, and then we have the depreciation and loan schedule. Loan schedule includes the principal and interest payments for each type of loan. And then the working capital calculations includes accounts receivable, payable, and closing inventory. Here we have the website marketing expenditure sheet. This calculates the website marketing expense for the business, both annual and monthly. Next is financial statements. Here we have the three major financial statements of any business, that is income statement, which shows the financial health or profitability of the business. And then we have cash flow statement, which shows the cash position of the business, and the balance sheet, which shows the financial position of the business. Next is startup summary. Here we have compared the funding and expenses of each of the first year of operations of cosmetic business. We've also included graphs for easy analysis. This is the financial analysis sheet. Here we have included four major financial analyses of the business. First one is break-even analysis, which calculates the break-even sales point for the business, and then we have financial ratio analysis. These are the major types of ratios we have included. Then we have company valuation, which calculates the NPV, IRR, and payback period of the company, as well as ROI. Lastly, we have sensitivity analysis. This calculates how the revenue and other factors or other financials are going to change when a certain factor is changed by a certain percentage. We have both optimistic and pessimistic cases in the sensitivity analysis. Last is the dashboard. Here we have provided graphs to represent the financials of our previous sheets, and also we have included a scorecard to highlight the major financials of the business. And that's it from today. Thank you so much for your time.